Вас снимают.
Careful, guy. Careful, guys.
It's a dangerous situation.
Is that,
That awning's a
you think
little
that's OSHA approved?
No, he's not tied off, clearly.
Значит, занимаюсь я кодовыми пилотажными моделями F2B. Да, мне нравится летать на F2B. Это моя такая система утвержденная, и я предан этому классу моделей. Элерон надержи.
Когда планируете закончить самолет?
Сейчас скажу.
Самолет.
Сейчас скажу.
He thinks.
Think about it.
Крыло.
Win.
Окей?
Валерий Владимирович, не спрыскивай.
А мне надо сколько там? 350 спирта разводить. Ну, вон стул. Вот.
Женя, один. О!
Yeah. Alan, you're more of a machinist than me. What all do we have in this room?
Oh man, we got some lathes, and I think we got some sort of a grinder or hoeing right here. Not sure. Yeah, it's got to be like that's a grinder of some sort. Got a big old bench grinder over here. It's a little milling machine, a little kind of a heavy-duty drill press. Really, it looks like.
Марьяна. Вот строю новые самолеты. Сейчас, момент. Скажи ему, осваиваю новую технологию.
This is a new technology. And he's working under it.
Стеклоткань.
Glass.
Oh, cool.
Форма.
Очень классно.
Очень классно.
И вакуум.
Very cool.
Вакуум.
And vacuum here.
And vacuum. Форма и
Vacuum. And vacuum. Always.
фюзеляж 1000.
1 meter and 100 millimeters.
What's the size?
So 1000 and
Скажи мне.
That's
Нет,
nice.
у меня дома на него.
Мариш, место забыли?
Well, the situation is we didn't bring any airplanes, and these guys built everything for us, man. Mine are in the bag, but I got all my AMA number and everything.
Маришенька,
Ready?
Мариш.
Mike's got his. We got customized just for us.
How many different planes? How many planes per person?
10 planes per person. What's going on? What do you guys say for yourself? 7:28.
7:28 in the morning. It's Friday morning, big morning before the contest. Pilots meeting's about 10 o'clock, a couple hours from now. We got a lot of test flying to do, but we're not in too bad a shape. As long as we can keep the tails on James's planes, we'll be doing good. So we'll see what happens.
The guys next door are wheels off, man. They're showing us the vino and lighting cigarettes with a blowtorch.
Wouldn't surprise me. Wouldn't surprise me one bit.